I'm about to plant leeks. I grow them every year. But before I do, I thought it'd be worthwhile to wonder and ask, is it even worth growing them every year? Because in a small garden, every crop has to earn its place. Here I am harvesting the last of last year's crop, and some of these have been in the ground for nearly a year. And that's one of the things I like about leeks. You're not forced to harvest everything all at once. You can use them as you need through the year, and if some overwinter, well then all the better in the spring. For me, a crop earns space in one of a few ways. Maybe it's way better than what you can buy. Maybe it's expensive at the store. Maybe it's hard to find. Or maybe it's just something that you use all the time. And for me, leeks check several of those boxes. Around here, organic leeks can run $4 a piece, and they're not available everywhere, and I use them constantly. Potato leek soup, stews, braises, sauteed vegetables, they end up in a lot of meals. A crop doesn't earn space in my garden because it grows well. It earns space because I actually use it. So let's get to planting. Now, there's probably a lot of different ways to do it, but the way I do it is super simple. I use my stick, I push it in as far as I can, I take a leek and I drop it in the hole. I put them about 6 inches apart, and then I water them in. I don't worry about raking the soil back, I don't worry about the hole filling in. Time and weather will take care of that. And it'll bury a nice long bit of the stem so that you end up with a nice long white shank when you finally do go to harvest them. So let's get started. I'll finish the rest of these. So we've got a few holes here just for demonstration, and now we're just going to place the leek in the hole. And the final step would be just to water it in a little bit, get some of this dirt to collapse into the hole. Don't worry about it, it's not going to fill up. It's not a problem. So the question remains, is it worth it to grow leeks? For me, absolutely. They're productive, they're relatively expensive, they're easy to grow, and they have a long harvest window. They've earned their place. If you found this useful, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.